What's good, YouTube? So, your favorite baddie, Unicorn Mermaid Princess Journey Bad with 2 D's is back with another video. Clearly, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what we're doing today. I want to just go ahead and get into it. Okay, just like the last video, I'm going to be cutting off one of my locks for you. Let's get into it. So boom, I'm about to cut my lock off just to show y'all how to reattach it, okay? That's dedication. Let's do it. Cut it all the way up here because I want to show y'all how good at this that I am. I want to show y'all how much, I trust myself. If you're reattaching locks to natural, loose natural hair, then just imagine this is the same thing. It works exactly the same way. So this is going to be the easiest tutorial that you ever seen, okay? So here we got our lock that we're going to be reattaching. Here we got our, this is either loose natural hair or a lock, okay? So if it's a lock, then you want to take the lock and comb it out. If it's loose natural hair, you just want it to stay out, nappy, free, and all that. So boom, we gonna comb out the ends. I'm gonna say about 1 inch. I am breaking my comb real bad. Okay, y'all see that? See it? Boom. Now we're gonna take this lock right here and we're gonna do the same thing. So this, as y'all can see, this is the section where I cut it, you know what I'm saying? So this is the section that I'm gonna be reattaching to this section. But before you do that, you're gonna wanna comb 1 inch out of this section as well. So let's do it. Look at the inside of my lock. Ew. Little trifling. So boom, same thing on this one. We're gonna open this up just a little bit more. Now today, I got all my crochet hooks, but the only one that we're gonna need is this single prong crochet hook, okay? This is the easiest way to do it. So we got our inch of fluffy hair right here, our inch of fluffy hair right here. All you're gonna do is take this part, put it right over top of this part like this, right? Overlap, okay? As y'all can see, right, we got this fluffy piece right here, this fluffy piece right here, right? All we gonna do is take them and overlap them, right? But not only are we overlapping the fluffy part over the fluffy part, we're gonna overlap more over the real locked part as well. So you want like half of this, you want a 1/2 inch to go over the real lock part and a 1/2 inch to go over the fluffy part. All you really doing is taking the fluffy parts and putting them together, but bringing it down a little bit so that they can attach to the hard part, to the already locked portion. Y'all see that? Easy. Grab the fluffy parts. Take your tool. You take your crochet hook, your 0.5mm crochet hook, and just start crocheting the lock. You don't have to use this single prong crochet. I will show you. Let's try the double one. The double one will work a little bit faster. Boom. See that? I can already feel how fast this double one is working. This is what we got so far. I ain't even barely did nothing and it's already together. You feel me? So we just gonna keep going. We gonna keep going with our double prong crochet hook. Like I said, you can use the single one, you can use the double one. Whatever floats your boat, baby. And there is no special technique to this crochet portion of it. A lot of people get confused. All you doing is taking the crochet hook, sticking it in the lock like that. All this frizzy hair over here, all that frizziness that come out on this side, we're pulling it with the crochet hooks through to this side. You understand me? And that's how you get your lock together, baby. So boom. That's all we doing. We pulling the frizzy hair from that side to this side. You flip it, you pull the frizzy hair from the other side back to this side. So you want to continuously flip it back and forth to make sure that you get everything done the way you need to get it done. Main tip that I'm gonna tell you is to make sure that some of your fluffy part is over the top, over the hard part of your lock that's already hard. You don't have to be a pro at knowing how to crochet. You just stick the crochet hook in there, pull all the frizzy stuff from that side to this side. Obviously, I'm not done, but this section is looking thick. So if your sections is looking like that, the place where you combined it, you want to go in on that jank. You want to like go in until, because the more you crochet, the tighter it will get. That's with anything, with wicks, with little tiny locks, whatever kind of locks you got. The more you go in there with this crochet hook, the more compact it'll become. So that's what I'm about to do right now because it's fat. It's really not difficult at all. Like, it's really easy. Like, as y'all can see, we strong, you know what I'm saying? It ain't ripping apart, and I'm pulling hard, you know what I'm saying? So all we doing right now is fixing the aesthetic of it, making sure that it's even with the rest of the lock, and that's pretty much it. Do a little palm roll. If it's still too thick, then we'll go right back in with our crochet hook. This is what we got so far. This is where it was combined at. Pull, pull with all my might, real strong, using my muscles. It's still intact. She's still cute. She is a little thick still. She a little thick still. Okay. And there you have it. A beautifully reattached lock. Yeah. See that? It's nice, it's strong, it's not gonna fall out my head, it's not going nowhere. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all see that? Long, strong pulls. It's safe, okay? This is safe. This ain't coming out my head. Okay? Boom. So that's all you need to know. So anyway, sis, I hope that this helped you out. And if it did help you out, then make sure you leave a little like, a little comment, a little subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, sis, make sure that you stay that bitch. Don't let no nigga tell you that you ain't that bitch, because you already know that you that bitch. Germany Bad said that you that bitch. And bro, don't let no hoe tell you that you ain't that nigga, because you already know you that nigga. And Germany Bad tell you that nigga anyway. So yes, I'll be back.
Take my shine.